Isn't she gorgeous? Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. You are beautiful. This is going to replace the dead plant we got back there. Oh, I think it's going to be a gorgeous addition. Welcome back to the Backyard Homesteader. I'm Priscilla, and today I've got some more seeds to share with you. But first, it's been raining. It rained all last night. It's going to rain for the next 3 or 4 days, and so it's sunny right now. I have a very small window for me to get all the clippings up from out of the yard. So give me just a minute. Okay, thank you for letting me just get that knocked out real quick. Yeah, I have a little bit more over there, but I have to bring the green waste trash can over that way, so we'll do that. You don't need to see that. But I got most of what I needed cleaned up out there. And so now let's take a look at my Botanical Interest seeds, which is so interesting. Rizzy, you're hitting the camera. Watch out. What's so interesting is I just got through placing another order with them, but it's because I've decided to master growing onions from seeds. And so listen, I had one place that's known for their seeds, but they wanted $8 to ship. I can't pay $8 to ship. I'm sorry. And I'm not spending $100 or $200 or whatever the heck you need in order to get free shipping. So I went back to Botanical Interests because I want to say their shipping is $5.99. I'm okay with that. I don't know, $8 is just too much. So I ended up getting a few other things, not a ton. Don't need a bunch of seeds. I did get some new cosmos and zinnias, but I got onion seeds. So stay tuned. You'll want to make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell ring because I'm going to show you how to master onions by default. I've tried them before. I have not succeeded, but I have been researching and I think I've got it figured out. Okay, so let's get to my Botanical Interest seed haul. I haven't even opened it. I was saving it to open it with you. I don't even remember exactly what I got. Let's see what we got. All right, let's see. Oh, you like my new little plant there? My other one died, so I've got to pop that one up. Gotta have some pretties out here. All right, here we go. Not too many. All right. This is a thank you seed. So this is lettuce. That's cool. If you watched my last video, I told you I was going to put one of my green stalks over on the corner over there for lettuce. I've got to do that early because it gets warm here and the lettuce just bolts. So they gave me a seed starting guide. That's cool. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I just saw it. I was afraid I was going to do that. This is a little seed starting guide. Pretty cool. I actually ordered something today that I already ordered. Oh my gosh, I was afraid that might happen. But this is the Cosmos Seashells blend. Isn't that cute? haven't gotten Cosmos in a long time. And I'm not sure. Okay, so I ordered this wild bergamot. For some reason, I feel like I've had it already, but maybe not. Have you ever done that? I did order some borage, although I might have to plant this in the front yard away from my dog, because while it's edible, it can be poisonous to dogs. And so I don't have anything in my yard that is poisonous to dogs. Ooh, Oregon sugar pea pods. Okay, I got to get those planted pretty soon here, but I've got my green stock back there, you know, that I love to put my beans in. So this is sugar peas though. These need to crawl, so I might have to put them back over on that wall. Some cherry bell radishes. We can get those started. Black beauty squash. That's going to need to go in pretty soon. Romaine lettuce. I'm dropping stuff everywhere. Romaine lettuce. Black beauty eggplant. And hearts of gold cantaloupe. I'm just so curious what got me to place this order. I think it was Jess over at Roots and Refuge. She recently got a haul from Botanical Interests, and I want to say she ordered the Black Beauty eggplant. Now, I've grown it before, but now that Jess has her new cooking channel, I want to see her. Jess, if you're watching, I'm going to tag you if I can. I need to learn how to take eggplant from my plant to my kitchen and have it taste good. I've had a problem with it being all dried out. Like if I put olive oil, if I took this from my yard, cut it up, and then put it on a tray and put oil on it, it just soaked it all up. It was disgusting. So I'm doing something wrong. Jess, tell me how to properly cook Ritzy, this beautiful eggplant from my garden, because I grow it well here. It's just, I don't want to grow something I can't cook and make it taste good. So let me know. I know that, Jess, you also have another recipe you use the eggplant for, and I can't remember why, but I'm pretty sure that's what inspired me to go in and place this order. I love cantaloupe. I don't know if we'll be able to make it grow this year, but it says heirloom, so we'll see. It's been around a while. Tried and true. So, and then Black Beauty squash. I mean, I've had a hard time with squash. I did grow it once up against this wall, and then my husband talked me into moving it because it got too big, and so it was in the way of the sprinklers for the grass. So while this is a good area for it, it gets in the way of the grass getting watered, so I can't grow it there. So I don't know. I think maybe, I don't know, maybe on the back wall, maybe I can do that, but I'm gonna have to trellis it some way. All right, I think that's it. So I did, like I said, I did order some. I only ordered one of the Cosmos that's a duplicate. I ordered some flowers, but I went on there for onions, and I'm paying $5.99 for shipping, so I'm not gonna just get 2 packs. Hey, what's going on? I'm not gonna get just 2 packs of seeds when it's $5.99, when I don't remember how many I got, maybe 10 or 11 packs, still $5.99. So I took advantage of that and got a few other things, not many, just a few other things to help offset that shipping cost. Yeah, I think we're in good shape though. I believe that we have everything that we need between my my Baker Creek order. If you didn't see that video, I'll put a link in the description, a card up above, so you can go see that one. But yeah, I think the next thing to do is to get my seeds started. So stick around. That'll be the next video, because I got to get started. And this is a beautiful day, and I'm going to take full advantage of it. So we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye. Mwah.